discount code JacobViral when you shop at Down for Sound, Sky High Car Audio, and others. Links in the description. Thanks for watching and enjoy the video.
Could you give me your name and what's in here real quick first?
Travis, Ford, Defmont 3015s on a 1290 at 1. Fourth order, tuned to about 45 hertz, 46.
Really? Wow. Is it louder with these doors shut or open?
I'm not sealed off, so
it don't matter. Got it. Okay. Did you build this?
Yeah, almost
wow.
done. Yep.
Really musical, and I like the way the box is. Like, it looks
kind of like, you know, for viewing, you know, people
yeah.
can see it still. Yeah. I like the windows, so.
Really good idea too.
Yeah, man.
How thick is that glass?
It's only quarter, or 3/4.
3/4. Okay.
Yep.
Very nice.
It's all double layer, 4 layer here. The baffle's 4 layer.
Yes, sir. I'm gonna go look under the hood. Is your amps in the back or where's it?
They're right here.
Okay.
Base amp here, 1290, yeah. And then all the mids and highs there, and the DSP.
Okay.
Lithium's right back there on the corner.
Okay.
Yeah.
Got it. Awesome. Thank you, man.
Thank you.
Nice doors.
Thank you.
What's going on, everybody? This is JacobViral. I hope you enjoyed the full walk around we just got of Travis's system he was showcasing at the Made of Steel show in 2021. This is around the Tampa, Florida area for the location. Really looking forward to showing you all how it sounds. A really nice install, really clean box, and I like the whole layout of it. So go ahead, if you haven't already, comment, let him know what you like about his system, as well as give him a thumbs up. He did a really good job showcasing it at Made of Steel. So a really nice beauty panel that he had in here. I was actually surprised he added in the back panel as well so he could see behind the box. Not many truck systems actually do that, so you can see. Definitely tell by his door speakers and tweeters that I could hear the lyrics during the demo, so he actually had a really good balance of bass and music. So the beauty panels he had on the outside, actually my wife got some subflex inside, you'll see later during the demo, so you can actually see into the box while the subs are playing. So when somebody's waiting in line at a show for a demo, you're able to see the subs in action. Really nice style. And again, with that back panel, I think he did that so he could actually see behind his box as he's driving for a safety measure. So really good job and unique style. I've actually never seen that before. And notice that he has the subwoofers are inverted. There is a sealed section underneath this box, considering making it a 4th order bandpass enclosure if anybody didn't know that. So we're going to go ahead and get to the demo now. If you haven't already, consider subscribing for daily videos and enjoy.
Got it. Okay. good idea too. Awesome, thank you.
Yeah, dude.
What was your name?
Travis.
Travis,
Yeah,
Jacob.
man.
Thanks for the demo, man.
Yeah.
Have a good day.